Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and today I've got something pretty interesting for you guys. So as you can see here, I'm not just reviewing one bag, but I'm reviewing 3 bags plus this little thing as well. So a bit of backstory. A company called NIID, so N-I-I-D, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. They reached out to me, they said, hey, we like your videos, do you want to do a video on our latest Kickstarter project, which is this. So this lineup, or series if you want to call it, is called Urbanature. So I'll give you a nice close-up of that. So this is kind of their lineup that they have, and they've got 3 different backpacks as well, plus this strap, which I'll get into. Now, because it's 3 different backpacks, sorry, these are bags, they're not backpacks. Well, one could be a backpack, but yeah, I was thinking about how do I do this, because if I try to do a video which entails all these 3 things, it's gonna go on for a very, very long time. So what I've decided to do is just do this very brief overview intro video, which I'm doing right now, which you're watching. And then I'm going to do detailed kind of look-throughs and overviews of each different bag, and then that's going to be on separate videos, but I'll leave all those in the link in the description below, and they'll be released pretty much a day apart, or it could be even closer depending on when I upload. But essentially this is, yeah, the Urbanature. It's by NIID, N-I-I-D. So let's just go through each one. Remember, this is overview, I don't want to make this video too long. But essentially you have these 3, and they're on Kickstarter at the moment, so there's still quite a few days left, so you can get these at the moment. So bear with me, I'll put the names of each different bag on the screen so that you don't get confused. But this middle bag is called the Fold, and reason, because it folds. So you can also expand this out to fit a 15-inch laptop like this, or if you're just carrying a few stuff in here, you know, a tablet or 13-inch, then you can fold it down like this. Looks nicer, and hence why it's called the Fold, and it is indeed a sling bag, as you can see. Now you have these 2, these are called the Switch. The reason they're called the Switch is because it uses this interchangeable strap. So essentially this also doubles up as a waist pack. So if you go jogging and stuff like that, you can put this on your waist, around your waist, which is pretty interesting, and I'll show that later. But essentially this allows you to, for example, attach this to here. Like that, and then so that's the strap for this bag, and then you can release this and you can attach it to this one. Of course you extend the strap properly, but you get the concept, right? So you can sling this around like so. So that's why it's called the Switch, because you can literally switch it around. And finally, yeah, this is the waist pack. So there are different combinations, and you can see a picture of it right now. So obviously you can get all these, so all 4 of these you can get it for $229 US. That's the early bird special, and if you happen to miss the early bird, you pay $30 more, so you get all this for $259. Then you have the individual breakdown. So let's just say you wanted to just get, let's just say you wanted to get the Fold, then you can get that for $89 just for the Kickstarter. And then the laptop Switch you can get for $99. You can get the Switch chest pack for $79, and that both includes the waist pack. So what you can do, for example, is if you just wanted to get the 2 different switches, so what you do is you do $99 and then you just add the chest one on top. So unfortunately there isn't a Switch combination if that's what you're looking for, but they do have the big all-in-one combo, and you can do add-ons and stuff like that, as you can see. So that's how they decided to do their campaign. Now also note, this is a European friendly project, so what that means is there are no additional taxes, because I know that, you know, it depends on where you buy it and what you buy. When you get it shipped, there's additional taxes involved. However, they've claimed and they said that no, this is a free, no tax project, so what you pay is what you get essentially. So that's it. I don't want to go too much into detail, but essentially this is kind of like, I'll kind of model it without a strap, but this is the chest pack. So it's kind of like designed after like a holster kind of style, and that is meant to design to be quite close to you. The main compartment opens up to reveal quite a large storage size. I can pretty much fit my whole hand in here, so you can fit like an iPad mini in there, some notebooks or whatever, you know, keys, phones or whatever. So this is pretty nice just for carrying a few small items just around if you don't want to carry a big bag. You have this one. This is pretty cool because I can't just lift the bag like this. I actually have to pull down and up. So it's got this magnetic lock, which prevents it from just being open straight up. You have to pull it down to open it up. So that's a security feature in there. And this waterproof zipper hides the main compartment, which you can fit a 13-inch laptop or smaller tablets and whatnot. So easily fit a tablet, but maximum for this is a 13-inch laptop. So you can wear this pretty much as you can either hold this like this. So it's almost like a laptop sleeve. So if you didn't want to you know, carry with the strap, you can carry it as a laptop sleeve, and then you can store a few different accessories and stuff inside on the side as well. Or you can carry it on your back, and I'll demonstrate that later in the detailed video where it's on your back like a sling strap, but it's on your back essentially. This one you have the waist pack, so you can fit a few different things in here, some coins, maybe like I don't know, like a card, house keys or whatever if you're just jogging around the block. You might be able to fit a smaller phone, however this probably won't fit my Note 8 unfortunately, but it does double lap as a strap for these two switch bags, which is what it was really designed for, and the fact that it's a waist pack is kind of like another benefit, which is awesome. This big one, the Fold, this opens up to be used as a main compartment for a 15-inch laptop. You just slot it in like that, or alternatively, as I said, if you don't want to fit a 15-inch, you can fit smaller tablets and laptops in here, and then you just fold that down. There's a few compartments on the side, on the front, on the side, and on the back as well, which is nice and handy. And it comes with this strap built in. This strap is not removable, so this is stitched directly to the product itself. So I can't give an overall rating just because I haven't gone through each one in detail yet, but first impressions, very high quality material. This is made through waterproof polyester, and also the zips on the switches, I believe. Yes, not on the Fold, but the zips on the switches. Maybe I'll show you this one instead. The zips on the switches are waterproof. So you can see this is the waterproof style. So nothing water-based is going to get into that. Dust won't get into that either. Now these are all YKK zippers, so not just the switches, but the Fold as well. They're all YKK, so that essentially what YKK means is that it's gone through a stringent standard of zip quality, essentially, and these are good quality zips. Essentially, that's what it comes down to. Now, a short disclaimer: these are all sample production models, so they're not the full models that you'll get, that you guys will get when you back it and when you buy for retail. So there may be some imperfections here and there. One of the things I noticed was that this zip was a little bit temperamental on the Fold. So I've let them know, and they said, don't worry, we're gonna fix that in the production process. So you don't have to worry about that, but all of these were actually handmade. So that's pretty amazing, and I love the design. I love the idea and the concept, how they're not just copying what other people have done, but they're really coming up with great ideas for uses of backpacks, and to get 3 is pretty awesome. So I'm not gonna take too long in this video. As I said, it's probably gone long enough. I wanna just get into each individual one. I'm gonna go through my trusty bag scoring sheet. So this is a new one. Because these aren't backpacks, there's certain things which are not so applicable and more kind of prominent when it comes to a bag versus a backpack. So I think with the bag design comes a lot more into play. That's just my personal opinion, and these are just my personal things. I mean, you might have a different scoring sheet, but that's essentially what I plan to look at. And my top 4 things, so things that I look for in a good bag: space management, design / quality, comfort, and versatility of use. So I've got 3 different ones here: one for the Fold, one for the Switch Laptop Sling, which is this, and one for the Switch Chest Pack, which is this one. So I'll be getting into that very soon. You can see them in the videos upcoming. But yeah, that's it for this video. Again, look out for these videos coming up probably in the next few days. Each one will be coming out a day apart, roughly. And yeah, I'll be really excited to see what they have to offer. I'll leave links in the description below for the Kickstarter campaign and to all these other videos as they come along and as they get uploaded. But I'm pretty excited to get into these. Hope you guys are excited to see what these bags have to offer and the quality as well. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about these bags, but I'm sure they'll be answered as the videos get uploaded. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and make sure you don't miss these ones. Also, click that notification icon so you don't miss these videos, so you get email notifications straight away once they're uploaded. Literally, it's straight away. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.